Don't try this at all. I didn't come to Hollywood to play. Oh my God. Good morning. What a view. Good morning, people. And look at my view. Long Beach, California. So off to downtown LA. And here's a look of the metro in Los Angeles. Pretty decent. So today I'm going hiking with my friend, producer, musician, songwriter, Bogwe.
What up, yo? What's going on? So I go by the name of Meaku. I'm here with my brother, Asuquo. This is just one of the trails that I take out here in Hollywood, just to clear my mind and, you know, get creative whenever I need to get creative in the studio. So I'm bringing Asuquo with me so he can experience the journey and see how I live my life, baby. Enjoy.
So let's go hiking.
Differently.
And you know the good thing I like with the GoPro?
Yeah.
See as I'm moving and it's not shaking?
Yeah, steadiness.
It had the stabilization, it's crazy.
That's crazy.
See as it's moving like
this is
I'm using a gimbal.
This is what you use for your
I just got this one.
When?
I got it like during Black Friday.
Oh, okay. So have you posted any videos with this?
No.
So
I was waiting for LA, yeah.
That's the big sense.
I was waiting for LA.
Proper.
Ooh. Beautiful.
So my album launch, we're looking at doing around May. It's called Africa.
The title is going to be Africa?
The title is Africa. Some of the features on the album, EIN.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you sent him the song?
Spells. No, he came to the studio.
Oh, he was in the US?
He came to LA about a year ago.
Oh.
Yeah, I played on this record. This beat, we just vibed to it, bro. It came out crazy. So that one's called Show Them. That's on the album. Another one produced by myself and Spells, my brother. Features me, Wande Cole, and Asuquo. So that's another one on the album. And then we have another one, Don't Stop. No feature. It's your boy Meaku. One more feature on the album, my sister Niniola. We got a special one on the album, so yeah.
Oh.
Yo, this is brilliant, bro.
Huh?
What you doing?
Yeah.
I see your vision. I see it.
Because sometimes you might have a day job, but your side also is way
intricate, and people is interesting.
Oh, Meaku.
You travel. Alright, go down. You travel, you go places.
Ah, Meaku.
Come. Don't be scared. Here, let me get the camera.
Oh
Just step. Go.
This is
Let's
scary.
Go. Don't worry, it's not scary. I know. Asuquo.
It's scary.
It's not scary. Come on. God is with us. So
I know God is with us.
Let's go this way. Stay strong. Bro, I do this every day, damn near.
Every day?
Damn near.
Every day?
Bro. This is part of my life. Let's go. You got it. Let's go.
Damn, this man.
Let's go. See, it's better you use those shoes because they have good grip on the ground. Let's go. Let's go. Just step up. I got you, bro. Go.
Man, this is scary.
Strong man. Got it. Good job. You got it. I forgot to tell you how difficult this was.
We follow the tourist spot.
See? You don't even realize it's called.
The view.
No.
Now I can see why there was sand on your shoe.
Yes, told you. Those shoes have been to war and back with me. See, when you take it a step at a time, you don't look at all of that stuff that's coming ahead. Because you're prepared. Because you're standing on solid ground. And once you realize you're on solid ground, there's nothing to worry about. Got it. There you go, man. There you go. See?
Don't try this at all. I think come to Hollywood to play.
I won't take you on the other way. We'll take simple routes when we get to the other side.
Yeah.
So on here, you just wanna, you have to bend low. So you're controlling your body.
So all those houses now, they put like a concrete protector so that the sand doesn't slide.
Exactly.
This is risky.
It's riskier.
Imagine if there's a mud slide or something. So that's a Hollywood sign there.
Yeah.
If you can say, the Hollywood sign is around there. One what?
One day there. One day go.
One day go. The Hollywood one?
Yeah.
Why didn't you take him on this part? No, you take him through the tourist spot.
Yes, I took it to the top. You got it.
Ah, Meaku.
Don't worry, you already conquered those ones. Don't turn it back now, brother. Still mountain height. I got you, bro. I got you. Just use your upper body strength. Step over. Got it. Don't worry. The idea.
Make. outside?
It's usually not open.
You tell me to drive when I'm
I don't know if we have to pay to go inside.
We are now at the Griffith Observatory.
We'll walk around this side.
He never looks at the camera for
I'll take you a picture over there.
Yeah.
Galleria.
No, standing somewhere there.
Yeah.
So that is downtown LA, right? Downtown LA.
It's so spread out.
Yeah, I'll get the picture of you guys.
Say the admission is free.
Did?
Yeah, that's what I put on the sign.
Telescope.
So there's the entrance, huh? It says free.
Okay.
I'm sure.
to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops, but I have to be me.
So we just finished hiking 80%, 80% of it is free, right? So whenever you're in Los Angeles, come hiking. It's free.
It's free.
And it's good for your health.
Everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm yours.